I'm Jules, I'm 28 and I'm from Germany.
And I'm Niall, I'm 29, I'm from Ireland. We've both been in Canada for 4 years and this is our story. In February 2021, Jules and I decided we wanted to take on a project to put our time and energy into while the world was still crazy with COVID. And there was not much else going on anyway as a result. So we got our hands on a 1978 boler trailer. They're very unique and rare fiberglass trailers, and we were lucky enough to find one with a lovely lady in Peachland, BC. So we took it back to Vancouver and started stripping it back to a blank trailer that we could rebuild exactly as we wanted. The project was a ton of fun. We made a few mistakes along the way as expected, but nothing that was unfixable. We learned a huge amount from just diving into the project head first, and critically, we set ourselves a deadline of the end of June 2022 so we can start a road trip that we've had planned for quite a while. And after 16 months of hard work, we're both very happy to show you how it turned out. And what are we doing with this big red egg now that it's complete? We're hitching it up, packing our life's possessions and taking it all the way north to Alaska. We're doing a 4,000 mile plus round trip from Vancouver BC up to Anchorage, Alaska. The purpose of this channel is to track and document the trip and all of the things we learn along the way. So if you're interested, please follow along.